Right. Didn't I do it for you? That's a long nose. That was unsettling. Okay, oh, the dog's so cute! Oh my god. God. No! Alright, let's, that looks like an elephant. Who's that? It's that look with those eyes. It gets me every time. Aww. The dog is so adorable, but its nose just looks like a rocket. That's a normal dog. Oh, that's... Oh, it's, Rainbow Dash. Oh my... Why is it... Aww. What? What is this? What? Why? Where'd the nice dog go? What happened? What happened to the nice dog? It's just such a cute dog. SpongeBob lives there. Why is the nose wags? Ah, pizza. The dog is so, like, almost little, like, scary, just like Herobrine. But it's so cute. Shoot. Never mind. What happened? Its nose just keeps getting longer. Whoa. Wow, that's not creepy at all. Why is the dog sad? Why is its nose growing? Creamy? Oh, they're making a song out of it. Oh, and the dog has a little thing on his head. Those are some big eyes. Oh my, the nose always grows. It almost looks like an alien at this point. Oh, it's a family. And they have a dog. The dog's so nice. And whoa. Oh my. What just happened there? Never mind. That's a long nose. Oh, the tree! He just wants a tree! Give it to him! Oh, now he's a little mad. Oh my god, he's here! That nose is just so long, but it's so cute! Aw, look at him! I just want to give him a pat on the head! He ate a frog. No! Put it back down! Alright, that's it.